Hi from Mitch Yao at Torque Trends Incorporated. Today, very short video. We just want to share a little information on the venting a torque box. It's very important on all torque box units that we vent. The unit's very small. It's designed to fit in tight tunnels. So it's only an 8-inch diameter. It doesn't hold much fluid. And inside, you've got the spinning mass of the planetary gear set. So the unit's got to be vented. As it heats and things expand, it will burp fluid out the vents. So for that reason, we recommend a burp tank. Just a small unit, doesn't have to be large, with a tube. This is a 3/8 nipple that we send the unit out with. So a 3/8 tube, not a lot of pressure here, but it is important that if we burp a little fluid up this, that we have a vented tank. This could be mounted, it can be hidden, or it can be mounted on your firewall, whatever length tube you need to get there. Make sure it's not kinked. And it should be right above or above the unit so that any fluid that does go up can come back into the unit. That way we're not starving the unit for fluid, and we're not burping fluid out onto the unit, losing fluid, making a mess. We're containing. Now, whatever container you use, these are, you can find these on the internet. I modified this one, made it even smaller, because it's not about volume. It's not about holding a lot of fluid. It's just a place for the burp fluid to go and then drain back to the unit. This has to be vented. Again, this is all about venting the unit so we don't build pressure in the unit and cause leaks past our front or our rear seal. So I just drill a small hole in the cap so that this is a vented burp tank. And again, you may see or may not see any fluid come out at all. But in a hard acceleration where the fluid, the G-force pushes the fluid up the unit and out, it might burp. Or on a really quick acceleration where the RPM goes from idle to real high quickly is when you might burp some fluid. So it's important for the life of the unit and the endurance of the unit that we don't starve it of fluid and we don't create an external leak, but we catch the fluid and return the fluid. Because it's vented, it returns back into the unit. So if you've got a proper fill in the unit, it's going to continue to be properly filled. You're not losing any fluid. Short video, like I said. Any questions, please give us a call and let's talk about your specific build. Bye for now.